guys that work in construction. I think they're underpaid. I think that that's going to change. I think in 10 years or less, somebody's going to come online and be like, you want to know the new hack? It's not Amazon. Learn how to be a plumber. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
People really take for granted what it takes.
You can't AI a plumber, man.
No, you can't. Yeah. It's like people really take for granted what it takes to make this world go round.
Yeah.
You know, and unfortunately, especially women probably. And the only reason I say that is like, let's say I were to go on a date and I said, I do metal buildings.
Yeah.
And we're in Miami.
Yeah.
Well, the dude that she went out with last night owns a tech company. I might make more money than that dude.
But she won't know it immediately.
She won't know it. She'll be like, metal buildings are plumber.
Yeah.
You know?